Hi, James. How are you?
Hi, Keith. Hey, good to see
Yeah,
you again.
yeah, see you again. Yeah, I just finished my live for my 30 days program. So every day I will have
Wow.
50 minutes around like live, and then every week I also have a free coaching sections. Okay, so just try to help more people, empower more people.
Wow, you're doing a great job, Keith.
Yeah,
Well done.
you do. That's why I think we work together and team up. Okay, so that is
Yes,
my third
yes.
time to invite you to give some more tips to to your audience, to your followers.
Hmm. Cool. So Keith, I really appreciate your invite. This is my our third time we've been together. So
Yeah.
I hope we're gonna benefit more people. So I think we are doing something together, right? On this Thursday or Tuesday,
Yeah,
Thursday.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Thursday,
Yeah.
yeah. So because I learned from you the unlimited interviews. So because one of my contents is also talking
Uh,
about how to find out, the contacts and how we can
mm,
approach the direct managers or the decision makers. And that's I
yeah.
think yeah we can work together and have a synergy, and our contents will provide more values and informations to or insights, okay, to other people. So that's why I think it's a good chance, for us to team up and work
Yeah.
together. There's a Hong Kong team.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
So guys, for those who are watching us now, we are doing a webinar on this Thursday, and what we are going to cover is going to help you guys. I know right now the crisis is here. A lot of the company are letting go people. I know the market is not looking good. So what me and Keith really want to do is on this Tuesday on 8:30 our time, and then you guys can see the link. You guys can send the link to you guys later. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a seminar, a webinar. Is talk about how to book your calendars full of interviews, even during this crisis. Yes, you heard me right. Even during this crisis, you still can book full your calendar still can book full of interview. Yes, it's not magic. It's something you can do it. Just that you need to break some obstacle about maybe something you need to change in order for you to secure unlimited interview. Yeah, and also after my introduction or my tips, and then Keith is also going to talk about some of his experience as well, right?
Yeah, great. So, how
Yeah.
can you do that? Do you want to share the secrets or the winning formula right now? Of course not, right?
Of course, not now. We're going to do it on this Tuesday. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
On Thursday. This Thursday.
yeah, you mentioned about the one winning formula. So that's actually
Yep.
two sections. So on Thursday night at around 10:30 p.m. Hong Kong time, and
Mm.
then
Yep.
also in April 9, that is Friday morning, 10:30
Yep. Yep.
Hong Kong time, which is morning. So basically, we catch the timing for Canada, US,
Yep.
and then also
Oh.
maybe Europe. It's okay, Middle East, even though India, and then Asia, and I hope that we can have some more people. Like I don't know, because I
Yep.
don't have any clients right now in Japan, Korea, so maybe they can join as well. Okay, China. Okay,
Yep.
I don't have any clients in China. I don't know why.
Yep.
Do
I
you
don't
have
know.
any
Anyway.
clients? Do you have any clients in China?
Yep.
I think in Hong Kong, or for me is even in South Africa. And even I have to
Mm.
Google and then I know where the place, right? But how
Yep.
about you? Is it all five continents? Your students right now?
Yeah. Actually, my student is all over the place, and to be honest, during my 10 years as a recruitment, I helped over around 641 candidates to find a job. So I think Keith is around this number, around 500 something, so 600.
Yeah,
So in
yeah, yeah.
total, we are around like thousand plus already. So guys, don't waste this opportunity because me and Keith. We are not sure we will do it again. So this one is a one time, and we're going to team up together and we're going to do on this Thursday, and then we're going to hit your life hard because we're going to change something in your life. We're going to empower you like never before. So, guys, don't miss this opportunity. Whoever watching this, maybe your friend is looking for a job, maybe your friend has been let go by because this crisis. Ask them to join in. Yes, ask them. Okay, call them up and say, you know what, this two guy from Hong Kong, James and Keith, JK is doing something amazing. Do something amazing on this Thursday. Going to empower more people. It's going to change many people's life. Yes, don't waste this opportunity. Like I said earlier, we are not sure if we will be doing it again. So just join us, and then on this Thursday, we're going to empower you. Because beside my one winning formula, I think Keith is going to have more things to share as well. So
Yeah, some
we
tricks
are
about
ready.
LinkedIn. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are ready
So
to help you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, so I also have a lot of FAQ, or usually because
Yep.
of previous webinars we run. So a lot of people
Mm,
asking, hey, do you do it again? Okay, there's a first question that you answer already is only this chance.
mm,
But secondly,
yep.
hey, can you give me your PowerPoint slides or can you
Mm.
give me the recording? So how do we do how do we do that?
You mean the recording?
Yeah,
Uh,
of course, no PowerPoint slides, right? But I mean, recording.
This is a good question. Let's see how we go on. Okay, if this Thursday we hit like maybe 1,000 people, and then we give
Yeah.
already a recording. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, yeah, guys. So
this is
please,
a monthly hit. Yeah.
registered. I don't know whether the link here, out there, whatever. But yeah, and so normally what our posts is look like the format is like, okay, please like it, please
Mm,
comment, or please share it.
yep.
I'm not playing you, right? We don't do that like tactics or whatever, because a lot of people
Mm,
saying that,
mm,
yeah, you just want to build your brand, right? But using
mm,
this kind of, I'll not say formula, but this kind of things is really helping your network. You share to people that you need, and then by like and comments, so that more people can see that. Because when you like or comments or do any activities,
mm,
then you will show up your activities in other people's feed. So that's why we
yep.
want to expand more reach, right? James, maybe you can talk more about this because you're the expert in using this kind of method.
Yeah, I think if you guys want to like give ask me a good question. If you guys want to expand your connection over LinkedIn, you can one tips for you guys is start commenting on other people posts. Yeah, don't just write like good or I agree. Write something meaningful, because the moment you start writing something, and then other people, meaning your connection, the first level, and then they are able to see it. If they like it, and then they go into uh share it, or they're going to like the post more, and then your comment will be top over other people content, so that we're going to help you as well. So don't be like, okay, just put more effort, like putting writing comment, writing more meaningful comment, that will help you a lot. Yeah.
Okay. Well, another FAQ, James. So
Yep.
I do
Oh,
heard people maybe from, I
mm,
don't know, whatever places, because of the internet problems, or maybe I don't
mm,
know whether it's lockdown or things. So they say, hey, it's very slow, or I can only join after 30 minutes, or I need to leave early. So I can't really. I do want to join, right? But I can't watch the
mm.
whole 1 hour or something. So what can they do?
You mean about our
You mean
webinar,
you
or?
mean our webinar? Yeah. So. Uh, how can they join it? And I mean, I
If
would
they miss it,
recommend, yeah, I would recommend they block the full calendar. But if they really cannot do that, so how can they do?
I think we can talk about, should we send out the recording, so we can talk about that as well.
Yeah,
So should we send out the recording? I think if we hit certain numbers and the people really need our help, we can do that too. So we can think about that. Yeah, if you're
yeah,
going to send
yeah,
a recording.
yeah. Yeah, so just be on time and then try your best
Yeah,
to make it happen, and then so
yeah.
that is why I can we can help. Okay, so any other tips or any other things that we can share? Maybe during these 2 weeks, what did you see the economy is happening, or any career
Mm.
advice that you can provide?
Yeah, I think I think to be honest, the crisis is here. Many people lock up. It's not looking good in a few months. So what I really suggest, what I really want to tell you guys is prepare for this, because we can't change the environment. What we can change is how we approach it. Yeah. The problem is not the problem itself, is our attitude toward the problem. That's the key. Yeah. So there's nothing we can do. We can't do anything, change the environment, but we can change our heart. We can change our approach toward during this crisis. We can be positive or we can be negative. It's all down to you, because there's nothing we can do, right? If you still stay negative, that is not going to help. Rather than you make yourself so unhappy, why don't you do something else, like try to bring yourself up, and then see something maybe great happen. Because I always believe law of attraction. If you are happy, if you're positive, things will come to you. If you're negative, you're not happy, I don't think good things will come to you. This is my how to say, my teaching. Yeah.
Yeah, your philosophy, and always as
Philosophy.
a
Yeah.
motivational coach before, right? So yeah, and also my 30 days programs, the first 1 2 days, I actually tell people their thinking and their mindset, how they need to
Yeah.
change. And I also
Yeah.
raise one point. So yeah, guys, if you want to watch, it's just free, right? Like my Facebook
Mhm.
page and YouTube channel. So I also remind that you have to take care of your financials, because as
Yep.
you mentioned, it's like 6 to 9 months. It's very, very long time and tough. And sometimes
Mm,
you need luck and chemistry of the interviewers and all those things. So you have to make sure that you have enough money, okay, to provide to the family. Okay, at least
mm,
yeah, you got more security, right? The money is very
mm.
important. Yeah,
Yeah, cool.
yeah.
So guys, I can't wait to see you guys on this Thursday. And thanks for Keith arranging this, and then thanks for Keith this idea with your team up. I know Keith have been having this idea for a long time already. So finally we come to this real things is this Thursday 10 p.m. Hong Kong time, and then Friday 10 p.m. AM time. If you haven't received the link from me or Keith, just message us, and then we'll send the link to you, because we really can't wait to empower you guys, because we understand in this crisis, to be honest, me and Keith can't give you a job, but what we can give it to you is a hope. Hope, yeah. So what HOPE stand for is have only positive expectation. Yeah, I say again, HOPE is have only positive expectation, guys. Yeah, you come to our webinar, maybe something positive things gonna happen. Never know. Last time I run a free masterclass. After that day, it's like 30% people they got an interview. Yes. So you never know. You never know after you join into me and Keith class, maybe 50% people will got interview. We don't know. Yeah. If you're willing to give a try, willing to block your calendar, willing to sacrifice your time to come in, okay? Yeah, because don't miss it. Because me and Keith not sure we do it again or not. Because this is our first time doing it. We're not sure we're gonna do it or not. So come and join us. This is our only webinar together on this Thursday on April, which day is it? April
9 and 10. Yeah,
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 9 and 10. 9 and 10.
yeah,
Yeah. Don't
yeah,
miss this, guy. Don't
yeah.
miss it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, at least I think for this hour, even though you learn something new, right? Yeah, because
Mm,
we, as I mentioned, we want to hire you, we want to give you a job, right? But we can't give
mm,
everyone's job. But I mean, we learn something is like the steps, the process,
yep.
the thinking, and what I think we both have 10 years experience. That means 20
Mm,
years experience, guy. You don't need
mm,
to try and error, and we want to
mm,
give you our brain and our process. So you just copy it, just use it, and then you got you got unlimited interviews. So how good is it, right? So this
yep.
is the reason why you need a coach and someone to guide you and just learn something, right? So just come here,
Mm,
right?
yep. Cool. Great. So yeah, let's start on this Thursday and see you guys then.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So thank you, James. So we can talk soon. We can talk later again.
Talk again. Thanks, Keith.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye
bye,
bye.
everybody.
Bye.
Bye.